Here's this Goodman American Standard running. I got my daddy and chips here. Yep. So what year's this guy? Oh, I need to see the date. I can't tell. It's like 25. See what year's this thing. 2014. It's a Gold Seekers. Yep. This one's pretty quiet too. It's just shaky. Can't even tell if the compressor's running or not, but it is. Can also tell by that. And whoa, that's got things there. Ooh. This Goodman's running. Yeah. Then that unit. Pretty sure it's a Maristar. There's ours running.
That's ours.
This one kicked off because when hold on.